Hi sir, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. And what about you? I am also fine. What do you do? I study. And what about you? What do you do? I am studying. In which college do you study? No, I do not study in college. Have you passed 12th? No, I have not passed 12th. Which class have you passed? I have passed 10th. And what about you? Have you passed 12th? Yes, I have passed 12th. Where have you passed 12th from? I have passed 12th from to the distance to Kolkata. What is your name? My name is Ankush. Where are you from? I am from Galakheda. And what is your name? My name is Siddharth. Where are you from? I am from Lodda. How many family members are there in your family? About my family, so there are five members in my family. And what about you? How many members in your family? There are seven family members in my family. May I know about your family? Yes, you may you about my know about my family. Please tell me about your family. There are five members in my family, my father, mother, and two brothers. At what time do you come here? I come here at 8 o'clock. And what about you? At what time do you come here? I also come here at 8 o'clock. Do you try to learn spoken English? Yes, I try to learn spoken English. And what about you? Yes, I try to learn spoken English. Why do you try to learn spoken English? Because I need it. Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? Not yet. Have you ever taken tea? Yes, I have done this, but and what about you? Have you taken tea? Yes, I have taken tea. Should you come here? Yes, I should come here. Should you learn spoken English? Yes, I should learn spoken English. Why should you learn spoken English? Because I need to learn spoken English. Are you fond of taking tea? No, I am not fond of taking tea. And what are you fond of? I am fond of eating momos. And what about you? What are you fond of? I am fond of fruit juice. Who are you fond of? Nothing. Are you sick of your family? No, I am not sick of my family. Why you are not sick of your family? Because I love my family. And what about you? Are you sick of your family? No, I am not sick of my family. Or are you sick of? I am sick of selfish person. Are you afraid of your father? Yes, I am afraid of my father. Why are you afraid of your father? Because just like that. And what are you sick of? I am sick of my father. What are you sick of? Because very serious man. Do you try to learn computer? Yes, I try to learn computer. Why do you try to learn computer? Because I need to learn it. And what what do you want to be? I want to be a CA. And what about you? What do you want to be? I want to be an engineer. What are you doing to become an engineer? I nowadays I learning spoken English and computer. What are you doing nowadays? Nowadays I'm learning spoken English and computer. I think. And what about you? What are you doing nowadays? Nowadays I'm learning spoken English. What is your brother's name? My brother's name is Raj Kumar and Shivam Kumar. In which school do you study? I study Jharkhand. And what about you? What is your brother name? My brother's name is Harsh Kumar and Harsh Kumar. Have a good, have a great time. Same, have a great time. See you tomorrow. Okay, nice to meet you.